It's National Doorbell Day and National Knock Knock Joke Day. We decided to combine the two.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Olive.
Olive who?
Oh, I love you too.
Someone in our class is possessed by an owl.
Who?
That's the thing, we don't... Knock knock.
Who's there?
Roachy night.
Roachy Knight who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Lettuce.
Lettuce who?
Let us in. I need a taco about something. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Ben.
Ben who?
Been knocking for 10 minutes. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Cal says.
Cal says who?
No, a cow says. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Brittany.
Brittany who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Oops, I did it again.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Dozen.
Dozen who?
Doesn't anyone want to let me in?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Ice cream.
Ice cream who?
Ice cream so you can hear me. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow. No! Knock knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Aren't you sick of all these knock knock jokes? Like this?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Like that. Get up a little closer.
He's a street taco.
Get up a little closer. There you go, right there.
What here?
I was like
Trying to.
interrupting.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah.
All right, hold tight. Quiet, everybody. Go. Wait.
Wait.
How far are they gonna go?
Wait, I have to
Okay.
turn up.
He's-
Okay.
Brittany.
Brittany who?
Knock knock.
Knock knock.
No, knock knock. It's like knock knock. Who's there? Brittany. Brittany who? Knock knock. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Train.
Train who?
Somebody needs a train. You gotta open the door.